We outside, Woodhaven, outside eating and all that. Nigga said we at the Trinity Duck and all that.
You see the sweater? You see it? You see it?
Yo,
that, nigga.
Yo, what you ordered, G?
What I ordered? Everything. Everything. Every blood clot thing.
Nigga said this your spot right here. You see the green shit in the corner?
Get the El Pastor.
The El Pastor?
El Pastor.
See what it's hitting for. They got flavors and all that. They got flavors.
Making you famous.
My son in the car with the TV and all
famous.
that, you feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, he making you famous right now.
Nah, this is Spitter, you feel what I'm saying? Yo, my son got the TV in the back. Don't think they low budget. They got cameras watching it.
We're in Jamaica, Woodhaven. Popeyes is right there. Niggas was fighting in the block.
The fake one down the block.
Hold on, you said a fake one down the block?
The fake one down the block. They got the same
Let's take a walk. Let's take a walk through it.
You wanna go to the fake spot? All right, let's go to the fake spot.
Right here, real quick.
We live, we outside.
Yeah,
though,
just wait with the car. We'll be right back. The fake Popeyes.
Oh, the joint finished and all that? We outside, you feel me? We in the street of the eats. Oh, nah.
That's Popeyes chicken labels in the window.
Nah, they gotta relax. Oh, nah. Nah, they got the font. Oh, this, it's a, nah, how they spell tenders wrong?
Hold on, come here.
Nah. Yo, nah, 3-piece tender. Oh, nah, nah. Yo, oh, they wildin'. Oh, they got the breakfast splitter. Oh, nah, why they wildin' like that? Oh, nah, they wildin'. Lou St. Luna. Oh, nah, don't sue me, but they might get sued. Niggas is the fake Popeyes. We outside. I don't know what their grading system looking like, but come on, son. How you got the fake? Yo, son. It's no we outside. You see the spot, you see them boys leaving, you feel me? They got their shit popping. You see the spitter.
Bang, bang, you already know the thing.
Yo, boss, how long the spot been here? Nah, we serious, bro. Alright. So they love what we do, so we buying shit. We gonna show niggas.
Yo, look, he was asking how long you guys been here? 2 years?
Wait, 2 or 3?
2 years.
Alright, so look, after this video, it's lit in the spot, you heard? When you see the green truck, you feel me? My son said, come out here.
Best get the El Pastor, man.
The El Pastor, shit like that, you feel me? So the spot lit, you see the green truck pull up, Poppy and them in here making a fire all the time and all that. We outside, you feel me?
On Casper over there.
They definitely been here.
Nah, we got the fire in here, you feel me? The menu good bread, you feel me? A quality, good aguas and all that, you feel me? Tune in, you feel me? We outside. As you see a man do the exchange, he's happy as his bag. He's out. Have a good day, man.
Alana, I got you one too.
My son got that bag with the fire in there, you feel what I'm saying?
You got El Pastor too, right?
I got, yeah, that's the single one, so that's yours. And then this is mine. And
The El Pastor going the ball throw
he
with
put them
the
separate. He thought we was all getting one.
off the splitter.
I get a red sauce, a green.
You look like a wrestler. You need a green? Always eat the tostada first. Always eat the shit. Shit there right here.
That's the off the menu joint right there.
Off the menu joint. Then got this on the menu. You know what you do? Take a little bit of sauce. And this shit hot. You don't need too much.
It's thick. You see how thick it is?
Drip. This shit will bun your body for days. No play. Nah, that shit, you don't want too much, bro. Do something.
My son said that's cocaine crack right there.
No, man.
So my son ordered, what you got over? That's the pastora over there? She was saying for God. Oh.
A lot of action
Okay.
up in that.
I got pineapples in it.
A lot of action up in that joint.
Nigga should appreciate what you got out here, kid. Nigga said we outside. Appreciate it outside each.
Alana, I'm gonna call you back, eh?
Son took son to the taco spot. Right in front of the taco spot, you feel what I'm saying?
Right here.
Tune in, we outside. We on Woodhaven in Jamaica right now, you heard? Good eats outside. Come to the best taco shit outside, you heard? That's what my man told me. Got the sauce on there, niggas just killing this shit, devouring it. You see the flavor right there. You see that shit is flavored right there. It's two fat niggas over there cooking, you heard? Tune in.
Cooking it up.
Nigga said it's only right to do the pineapple joint, you heard? Nigga said we outside each.
That's right.